Ever feel like building wealth is a secret code you were never given? There's like some hidden treasure map, but yours got lost in the mail. Don't worry, I'm here to hand you the Vital Wealth Code, a simple system that will help you unlock financial success for your family, step by step. For most families, building wealth feels out of reach between bills, debt, and trying to save something for the future. It's hard to know where you start, right? Do you know that nearly 70% of families live paycheck to paycheck? That's not because they're not working hard. It's because no one taught them the code to build wealth efficiently. But that changes today. Imagine having a clear plan to grow your wealth without sacrificing your family's needs today. Picture being able to fund college, plan dream vacations, and retire comfortably. The Vital Wealth Code gives you that exact steps to turn small, consistent actions into lasting financial success. It's not magic, but the results feel magical. So let's take a look at 3 whys why we want to do this, okay? So here's why the Vital Wealth Code works, all right? Number 1, why it matters. So wealth isn't just about money. It's about having choices, freedom, and peace of mind for your family. Number 2, why it works. Small, intentional steps compound over time. The sooner you start, the bigger the payoff. The last why. Why now? Every day you wait is a missed opportunity to build the future you deserve. Your time, your money should work for you and not the other way around. Here's the Vital Wealth Code broken into 3 simple principles, okay? So number 1, control your cash flow, all right? So start by knowing where every dollar goes. Track your income and the expenses to identify leaks in your budget. So for example, cut back on unused subscriptions or meal planning to save an extra $50 a month. Number 2, build your freedom fund, okay? So prioritize savings for emergencies and for future goals. Start small. $10 a week is a win. Over time, it builds security and confidence. So for example, automate weekly transfers to a freedom fund so you're saving without even thinking about it. Okay. Number 3, grow through smart investments. So put your money to work through low risk investments like index funds or employer match 401ks. Start with what you have. Even $50 a month grows over time thanks to compound interest. So for example, a $50 monthly investment with a 7% annual return becomes $12,000 in 10 years. It's slow and steady, but that's how you win the wealth race, okay? So here's the beauty of this code. You don't have to start big. Wealth grows from small, consistent actions. Think of it like planting seeds. Water them regularly, and they'll grow into something extraordinary, all right? So I know the idea of building wealth can feel intimidating, especially if you're juggling bills and debt. But here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect to get started, right? So small steps like saving $10 this week or investing a few dollars in the future are proof that you're moving in the right direction. Progress beats perfection every time. So let's take a look at a relatable family scenario, okay? So meet the Johnsons, right? They started by saving $20 a week, cutting back on takeout, and using meal plans. After a year, they had over $1,000 in their freedom fund. Next, they invested $50 a month into a low-cost index fund. And now, 5 years later, they're on track to save for their kids' college and retire early. The secret? They followed the Vital Wealth Code, one small step at a time. So let's take a look at some additional benefits, all right, to the Vital Wealth Code, all right? So here's how the Vital Wealth Code changes your life, all right? So number one, peace of mind. You'll stop worrying about emergencies or unexpected bills. Number two, more options. You'll have the freedom to choose what matters most. Family trips, college savings, debt, or freedom, okay? Number three, a legacy for your kids. Teach them wealth building habits that set them up for life. The last benefit, financial confidence. Knowing your money is growing feels empowering and freeing, right? So what's one small step you can take today to start building wealth? Is it tracking your expenses, automating savings, or starting an investment account? Share it in the comments below. I love to hear how you're unlocking your family's wealth potential. So every time you save a little extra, pay off a little bit of debt, or invest in your future, celebrate it. Have a pizza night, or dance around in your kitchen, or just give yourself a moment to say, I did that, right? Progress matters. All right, so you're here, you're learning, and you're taking action for your family's future. That's powerful. Be proud of what you're building, because wealth is more than money. It's a peace of mind, freedom, and opportunities. So here's your challenge, okay? Without a pen and paper, right? So write down your first step toward building wealth. It could be tracking expenses, opening a savings account, or starting an investment with $20. Take action today, because the sooner you start, the faster you'll see your results, okay? So let's take a look at a recap, all right? So the Vital Wealth Code has 3 steps, right? Control your cash flow, right? Build a freedom fund, and grow through smart investments. Small, consistent actions lead to big results over time, all right? So remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating step by step. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.